Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Sandy Cruz and I create videos and digital products, all things I. That is anything that you can do with your iPad that you used to do on paper. If this sounds fascinating to you, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so this one is a little off of routine. This isn't anything like my design videos or my planner videos or my Bible videos. This one is just kind of just regular iStuff. I like to do puzzles. I feel like it just keeps my brain muscle exercised, and I like to do crossword puzzles and word searches, things like that. And of course, I used to do them on paper, but now I do them on my iPad. And so I just thought I would just run through that with you real quick. If you are on the iPlanner Facebook group, you probably already saw the post that I did with this word search. So what I do is you can search Google for word searches or puzzles, crossword puzzles, any kind of games, word games that you like to play, and you will just get a whole influx of places that you can go and download free, or you can purchase PDFs that you can bring into your Goodnotes. All right, so this is one of my favorite ones, the wordsearch.com. And if you go there, you can download all of their puzzles free, their word search. I'm not sure if this one has crossword puzzles or not, but like I said, you can Google it, and for the most part, you can download PDF puzzles free. Okay, so real quick, let me go to my Dropbox. I'm just going to show you real quick how to import it. This isn't really new news, but for those of you that are new to the iPad and using Goodnotes, I'm going to show you how to import a PDF into Goodnotes. Alright, so here I am. I'm in my Dropbox. I have a folder inside my Dropbox called Word Search, and of course, as you can see, I have downloaded a lot of word searches into my Dropbox. All right, so here's one that is bedroom items. Here you can see the list of the bedroom items. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap the three dots here in the upper right corner, and I am going to click export or tap or swipe, just depending on what term you use when you're on the iPad and not a computer. All right, so that's going to open up a menu where I'm going to tell it that I want to open in. All right, and now I am going to scroll down and I'm going to open this in Goodnotes. And then it takes me over to Goodnotes. I have a few options here. I can add it to the current notebook that I have open, or I can import it as a new document, which is what I'm going to do. And then here are all my folders that I have inside my Goodnotes, and so I can choose a folder or a subfolder, but I'm going to go ahead and import it to the folder that I already have made that's called Word Search. So I'm already in that folder, so I'm just going to hit that. If you want to create a new folder or navigate to another folder, you'll have those options there as well. All right, so here it is. It's opened, and it's opened in Goodnotes. And if you recall, in a previous video, we did some real fast adding color to our ink libraries. And so I'm going to just tap here on my highlighters, because that's what you want to use for the word search. And then I'm going to tap on my highlighter color choices. And here's what I have in my presets. And so I'm going to choose one of these colors to find the first word, and that would be mirror. And I hope it doesn't take me forever to find it, because I don't want this video to get real long. I already see it. All right, so let's see. I have my small highlighter highlighted. So let's see, where was it? Here it is. All right, so I definitely want that to be bigger. So I'm going to undo that, and I'm going to try this size. And you can change the sizes of your highlighter also. So let's see how this one looks. Oh yeah, that one's much better. So I like to highlight the word, and that tells me, when I strike through it, that tells me I've already found that word, and then I'll move on to the next one. And that's all there is to it. I like to do mine in multicolors. As you can see here, this one's finished, and the reason that I know this one's finished is when I'm done, I click on the name and I add a check mark to it. So let me just show you how to do that real fast. All right, so let's just say I've finished this one. I'm going to go ahead and pull this menu down and tap on the title. And now I go to the beginning, and I'm going to tap on the emoji, and there you can see I've already used this emoji, so it's right there waiting for me. I'll tap on that and then go back to my text, and then I'm going to tap on the space key, and now this one will show up in the index. I'll just show you as completed, and that would be this one. Of course, it's not completed, but I already have this one in here, so I'll delete that one. See how you can see down here I've got the bedroom items. I haven't done that one yet. That's probably going to be my next one. Okay, well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if there's anything that you do fun on your iPad, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear. I like doing some leisurely stuff. You know, I'm always working, so it's really fun to just relax and do something leisure on my iPad. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until the next one, you have an outstanding day. Bye.